of you found yourself in a position wondering about what to do when you believe that your medical condition has improved while you're going through the Social Security disability process? First of all, relax. A lot of times your medical condition is going to what we call ebb and flow, meaning you're going to have periods where the condition improves or increases your ability to perform activities. Here's what I tell people. You want to be mindful of any improvements, but remember, the overall threshold is whether or not your condition prevents you from performing your work you used to do or any other work. So it's reasonable to expect that if you're going to get treatment from a doctor, that your condition is going to improve some. You may find some improvements in terms of your functioning, improvements in terms of your lab work, improvements in terms of things that you do. The important thing is, are those improvements rising to the level of being able to afford you the ability to work and do anything you used to do or do anything else? So make sure, and I can't say this enough, make sure that if you start noticing or your doctor starts letting you know that you're having some improvements in your medical condition, make sure they're documenting whether or not those improvements are enough to warrant demonstrating that your condition has improved for you to go back to work. Because a lot of times what happens, the doctors will put notes in your file indicating that you've improved in certain areas, and people start thinking, oh my gosh, that's a bad thing. Make sure, I can't stress this enough, make sure that you explain to your docs how important it is for them to document whether or not those improvements will improve you enough to be able to go back to work.
Have you ever wanted to get your questions answered faster? Well, check out our podcast, LegalBEAT in the Morning, on Thursdays to check out the answers to your questions.
Join us next week as we talk about whether or not the Social Security Administration can make an on-the-record favorable decision without forms that they've required or asked for you to provide to them. Here on Q&A, Social Security Disability Today.